All right, welcome to my channel and to this video. We've got a lift and turn drain here, the bathtub, the kids' bathtub, and it's kind of clogged. I've tried Drano and all that good stuff, but we're gonna have to just take this off, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you may have been twisting and twisting and twisting and nothing happened. So what you're gonna do is with your hand here, you're gonna pull it up and then twist in this direction. Can you see that? The key is making sure you are pulling up as you're twisting, and don't give up on it. Let me fast forward here. It does take a couple seconds. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. And I want you to actually set a timer for 60 seconds because that's approximately how long it should take before it does this. It just pops right out. And look at that. That's how you do it. You see threads at the end there, and they only start to pull out once you're lifting up on the drain knob itself. And you can see we've got, oh lordy, all kinds of gross stuff. Anyway, that's how you do it. Hopefully this has helped you out. Stay sneaky.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.